Cute chicken. Say, I have big honkers. Honk, honk. You two have big honkers too, don't you? Favreau, you got the biggest honkers of all. Honk, honk. Raised by ducks, I swear. Crazy.
Me, sorry.
Pretty scattered. As soon as I turn the light, well, no, I didn't even turn the light on. They just ran right in here. No light or anything. Ah! Almost stepped in shit. Watch out, chickens. I gotta get in after them. You little nutbags. We're trying to figure out the chicken diapers. We have to shorten them. They're for full-size chickens. We got some that were for little ones. Man, they were for little chicks. I mean, little tiny ones. Bad camera person, I know. Well, there was one right there. What an idiot. Chicken. Yes, I'm cleaning up your crap. Chick, chick, chick. What are you doing? What? What? Really, Favreau? Come on. Crazy chicken. Tries to destroy the thing. Latched onto it and shook it and tried to wrestle, like my Rottweiler used to do, grab something and shake it. Nutbag chicken. What? Olive? Crazy chickens. Sweet little chocolate, not destroying anything at the moment. Unbelievable. Where'd America go? Oh, there you are. I see you now. Oh, they're not dumping everywhere on the floor today. That's a plus. I'm guessing they didn't really like that food all that much. I put it in there and it's still there, other than what they've kicked out and into the... My God. They must really want wet food. They kicked the whole bowl of, or half the bowl of food into the water bowl. I made the food wet.
Yeah, I saw.
That's just the chick starter, though. I'm guessing they want the fermented type.
Got it.
Well, I will start another one in a little while when they do something ridiculous. See y'all later.